How to add a Review Us button widget. The Review Us button is a widget that links the customer to your review funnel landing page through a clickable button. How to install the Review Us button widget to your website. 1. Navigate to Dashboard, Widgets, Digital greater than, Review Us button. Point 2. Copy the embed code for the Review Us button widget. 3. Go to your website editor. Paste the embed code into your website editor in the appropriate area. How do I customize the Review Us button widget? Edit the Review Us button text. To change the text of the button, edit the value of the attribute data content, as well as the text between the anchor tags. Edit the Review Us button color. To change the base color of the button, add the attribute data color to the code and set it to the hex value of the desired color. Replace the button with an image. Set the attribute data replace to false and add an HTML image tag pointing to your image. Start your 100% money back guarantee 30-day trial today.